Good morning, everybody. This is Rashima Walker with the NCWorks Career Center here in New Bern. And how you doing this wonderful Monday? I hope you had a great weekend. And I'm here to give you the weekly update of all the different career and training opportunities available in Craven, Jones, and Pamlico County. So first, let's start with the weekly job board. Here's just a small list of the different jobs that have posted in the last week within NCWorks. Now again, this is a very small list of the different career opportunities that has been posted within NCWorks. So if you didn't see your particular job you're looking for, or you want some more information, I encourage you to go ahead and get registered with NCWorks. And if you are registered, you can go ahead and update your profile. Now you can do that by visiting www.ncworks.gov. Make sure you create a username, your password, make sure you got all your employment history in there. And if you have a resume, go ahead and upload it. So again, if you want to know more about those particular jobs, then go ahead and visit NCWorks. Now, there's several employers I want to go ahead and highlight that you might want to take a look at. Okay, first we got Craven Community College, Craven County Govt, Craven County Schools. Again, please check out the flyer, pass the word. They've got so many different great career opportunities, and they're looking for some talent just like you. Also in Jones County, we got Jones County Public Schools, who is hiring. Plus, they actually have a $3,000 sign-on bonus for a math teacher. So that's you. You need to go ahead and give them a call. Also, Pamlico Community College is hiring, and they have several part-time positions you might want to go ahead and check out. Now, if you're sitting there going, okay, so how do I go and find out about these jobs? You need to visit NCWorks. So go to www.ncworks.gov. You can search by location. You can search by job title. If you need any assistance, you can give us a call here at 252-514-4828, or you can visit us at 2836 Neuse Blvd here in New Bern. Our hours of operation are from 8 to 4:30. So if you have any questions, you forgot your NCWorks password, you're having problems uploading the resume, please give us a call, contact us, and we'll be gladly to assist you. Now, this week we don't have a hiring event, but we do have a free resume and cover letter workshop happening this Saturday from 10 to 12 at the Pamlico Public Library, 603 Main Street. So if you never did a resume, don't know how to translate, don't even know what the purpose is, the next workshop is for you, and I encourage you to get registered. And how do you get registered? You can call the Pamlico Public Library at 252-745-3515, or you can give us a call here at the Career Center at 252-514-4828. Now, in summary, we covered the weekly job board. Again, this is a very small list of the jobs that is posted in NCWorks. Secondly, we cover all the different companies that are hiring. So let's go to the list again. We got Craven Community College, Craven County Govt, Craven Public Schools, Jones County Public Schools, Pamlico Community College. Again, 5 great employers who are looking for some talent just like you. And also, we covered the free resume and cover letter workshop happening this Saturday. So again, take care, stay safe. Talk to you soon. Bye.